अरे भाई होली है. Let's make Earth beautiful again. Move on Monday.
Namaste. Welcome to Move on Monday's second session. And as you know, we're going to do some movements, a little bit about the science, and a lot more about sustainable living and making our Mother Earth again a very colorful place, a happy, joyful place to live. So I wish that you watch the whole video, and if you like, please share it with others and subscribe our channel. So let's start with the movement. And you know what a world we live in, the way we are communicating. It's everything happening in binary. We like this black and white, but life is not black and white. Life is not 0 and 1. Life is multicolor, 4K, HD, Ultra HD, colorful. So today is also Holi, but we are so used to IC, IC, integrated chips, which you found in each and everything which we are using nowadays, which just works on this binary numbers, 0 and 1, yes and no, true and false, right and wrong, and all the movements restricted. So let us do a movement, a very restricted movements, just like a robot, just like a machine. So what would be your movement to do it like a machine? What do you think? So let's have a robot dance without a music. And what is the music? Do we really require that loud sounds? So let's do the movement first. Okay, a very restrictive movement. So how it would be like? Ta, 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 and be aware of your each movement like a robot. Hands going up, hands going down, and right coming up, palm facing in, and the palm facing up. If your whole life was this kind of calculated movement, just like in science we keep on calculating movements, the locations and the momentum, and precisely wants to deal with something, how boring life would be. Yeah, you require those procedures, you require to measures, but don't to put it into restrictions. There has to be freedom, there has to be expansion, there has to be some flow, some rhythm and some patterns, but not everything so much calculated. So let's do for another 30 seconds a movement. You calculate it, your movement, your precisions, and feel it. Maybe it might be this. Can you love something with a calculation? Can love happen with the calculation? The answer would be no. I'm sure about it. The answer is no. No. It's dangerous to calculate love. And this is exactly what we are doing in the name of sustainability. We are calculating carbon footprints. Is it? We are calculating so many other things, and based on that calculation, you want to love the Mother Earth. Come on. You cannot love the Mother Earth with those calculations. If you really want to love, open your heart, feel free and connect with it. Take her color, take her juices, give her back that love. So let's have some movements, just moving freely, without any restrictions, and just enjoying your life. And no calculations, wherever, whatever it's moving, but not something of your fancy and whims, not based on your desires and your greed, but as freely and with that need what you want to make. You see this? Let's make our life colorful. Let's love the Mother Earth from here, not from here. You cannot love Mother Earth from here. Oh, I would use the bamboo toothbrush, and for that I would have a shipping from Amazon. Come on. Be some practical, be some scientific. What is science? Think about it. What is your movement? Like this? Freely flowing. Or it is always like and then you will talk about, oh, so much of precision, okay, this angle, then this angle, then this angle, this angle. Oh, such a boring thing. When are you going to apply it? A true science. The true science looks for the truth. True science looks for the simplicity. And true science also talks about that practicality. That practicality that everyone can do it. How can I afford all your stupid creations in name of sustainability? I cannot. So where is that practicability that any point, anywhere in the world, any person can do that same practices and get the same benefit? We have lost it. तो आज होली का दिन है, थोड़ा छोटा रखते हैं क्योंकि आपको भी मजे करना है, मुझे भी मजे करना है. सोचिए ये बंदा कहाँ से आके ये क्या बोले जा रहा है, पर सच में आज होली का दिन है. जो हो लिया हो तो हो लिया ही है, ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकते. तो ये दिमाग वाली गिनती बंद कर दे और हमको धरती से क्या मिलने वाला है ये गिनती बंद कर दे. कब तक मिलता रहेगा, कहाँ तक मिलता रहेगा, ये बंद कर दे और सोचे कि हम क्या देना चाहते हैं और हम क्या करना चाहते हैं. क्या हम सच में प्यार करना चाहते हैं? क्या गिनती करके मैं प्यार कर सकता हूँ कि भाई मैं इस साल 1 किलो ही मे बी 1 मिलियन टन्स ऑफ आयरन और निकालूंगा धरती से? कैन यू डू दैट? दैट इज द स्टुपिडिटी. यू आर नॉट लिविंग योर कैलकुलेशन. कम आउट, live with the colors, live with the love. That is the message for the Holi. That is the message of Moo on Monday. So let's start really loving our Mother Earth. And please do wait. Next week we are going to announce something interesting, that how we can bring this connection. And for this part, I am so much grateful to Service Space Organization. So yesterday I was a part of a group of 52 or more than that educators across 19 countries. And there's one person, Naveen from Singapore, who had come and he said very beautifully that how can you love, how you can connect with the Mother Earth until you don't love it. You don't love yourself. Forget about Mother Earth. You are not loving yourself. You are calculating with yourself. Free it. Free yourself. Not only for today, for a Holi. Allow yourself that freedom and the luxury. So one more. Let's do few movements and close it with a wonderful movement. So it's up to you on the music, that all the beautiful part you want to get it. Okay. So let's first